You are no good to anyone if you're exhausted. Let me say that again. You're no good to anyone if you're exhausted. Don't arrive at school earlier than you have to. Don't stay later than you must. Don't take home more work than you assign your students. So if you're not giving homework, you should not take home any work at all. You might regularly feel overwhelmed, like you have 5,000 things to do and you only have time to do 5 of them. I get it. But do less. It's okay to do less. Hey, if you're being kind and your students are engaged and working hard during the school day, you're knocking it out of the park. Everything else can be put on the back burner or ignored. And beware of the teachers who go around telling everyone how busy they are, how stressed out they are, how hard they are working. I don't doubt it, but I guarantee they are not working as smart as you are working. So yes, they are probably putting in more hours, but don't think you need to put in more hours just because they are inefficient. The most important thing is that you are happy and healthy. Remember, you will be a better teacher if you love this job because it's all about caring for every student every day, and you simply cannot do that if you are burned out.